Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. So today let's make this authentic, super delicious and super easy Pansache Dhonas or steamed jackfruit cake. Firstly, we will be needing a slimy variety of jackfruit bulbs which we call as Rasal. If you don't find Rasal version of jackfruit, you can use capo as well. We are going to de-seed these bulbs and grind them into a fine paste like this. Now in a pan, add 2 teaspoons of ghee, 1 cup thick rava or semolina. We need to roast rava on a low flame till it turns aromatic. You can see rava is nicely roasted now. I'll let it completely cool down and transfer to a mixing bowl. To this, I'm adding 1 cup jackfruit bulb puree, half cup finely cut jaggery, 1/4 cup freshly grated coconut, a pinch of salt, roasted and crushed jackfruit seeds. Now for this, I have roasted few seeds, peeled them and crushed them like this. You can even use cashews instead. Now I'm adding 1/4 cup milk to this. Mix everything nicely and we will keep this mixture aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes. I have greased a cake tin with some ghee. You can use any kind of container you have in your kitchen to set the cake. It's been 15 minutes now. Rava has nicely soaked. If you think your cake batter has become too thick, you can adjust the consistency by adding some milk or water. At the end, I'll add crushed cardamom. I have used 4 pods of green cardamom, some chunks of jackfruit bulbs, and a pinch of baking soda and mix well. While adding baking soda is completely optional, you can skip it if you wish to. I'll transfer this mixture to the greased mold, tap it nicely, decorate with some nuts of your choice, and we will steam cook this cake. Cover it properly and let this cake cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. So I have cooked this cake for total 40 minutes. You can see even the knife has come out clean. Let this cake completely cool down at a room temperature, and once it becomes cold, it will easily demold. Cut into the shapes of your choice and enjoy with a sip of hot tea or coffee. Do give this video a thumbs up if you like the recipe and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.